Hey, it's Gavin here, welcome back. Gonna go straight into this one. We're gonna be on the mat, crossbody mountain climbers. So come down and join me. We've got a few seconds before we kick off. Alright, hands on the deck, let's go. So a bit more of a fast-paced crossbody mountain climber. Let's get those legs pumping. We're just here for 30 seconds. So let's rock and roll, see what we can do. Control the breathing. Bringing the knee over towards the elbow. That's it, we're looking good so far. Alright, 10 seconds to go here. Hope you're ready for this one. Bit of a toughie. If you're doing this first thing in the morning, certainly going to be a wake-up call. Alright, we're on high knees next up. So bringing those knees up towards the chest. So from the side, looks like this. Moving the arms as well, cheek to cheek. Now if you're struggling with this one, just a jog will do, okay? But ideally I want to get you warm now, so trying to wake the body up, get you ready for this workout. Next up we've got stance jacks. Here we go. So dropping down, back straight, head up, like so. On the side looks like this. So butt pushed out, back straight, head up, quick feet in and out. If you're struggling, what you can do, if you want a modified version, this is the one for you. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Alright, back down, crossbody mountain climbers. Here we go. A little twist of the body. Alright, come on. Still with me, yeah? Come on, come on. Feeling the legs warming up, heart rate starting to go. Back on the high knees in a second. High knees, here we come. Trying to pick those knees up as high as possible. Come on. Keep on it. Ten seconds. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stance jacks. So heart rate is up now. I'm certainly breathing a little bit heavier. Come on. Now if you want the modified version, step. Kind of like the lateral slide that we sometimes do, but without the steps in between. Alright, into our first big exercise, burpees. Alright, we've got the walkout version. Up, clap, show you again. Or just keep going full on, drop back, up, and clap. Alright, so 45 seconds on this one. And the next, a lot of exercises. Next exercise is the real killer. Right, we've got 15 seconds rest before we hit it. And it is tuck jumps. Alright, so you've got an option. Tuck jumps are too heavy for you, too much impact on the knees. You've got the full body extension, which is this one. Okay, you can do that one. Or tuck jumps, come and join me now. So trying to pick those knees up. It's a long 45 seconds when you're doing those. Deep breaths, have a word, get back on it. Come on, guys. Come on, 10 seconds. 2, 1. Oh, that was hard. especially after the burpees. So deep breaths. Push-ups next. So, onto the ground. Slow and controlled. Breathe it out. Now this is going to be harder than what it might normally be, just because we're out of breath. But slow and controlled. Keep your head up. So I'm struggling here. Not only my chest or arms, but my lungs. So if you need to have a break, that's okay. But get back on it. 7 seconds, come on. Alright, 15 seconds rest. And it's back on those burpees. Alright, soak it up. Enjoy the rest. And get ready for the burpees. So you've got the walkout version or the jump up and down. Alright, do the one that's going to test you. Knees to elbows every time. Trying to crank it up a bit. Let's get a bit of pace in there. Come on. Come on. Keep pushing yourself. 15 seconds to go. Last one. All right. Tuck jumps. All the full body extensions. Remember the full body extensions are these. Arms up. Get on the toes. Arms are weightless when you do those. All right, let's go. All right. Come on, that's Paul Walsh. Come on, let's do it. All right, 17 seconds to go. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. Getting ready for the push-ups. Control the breathing. All right, here we go. Hands wide, head up. Breathe out and push up. Try and breathe in on the way down, breathe out on the way up. Come on. This is where you find a little bit of rest. Once again, it's not my arms or chest, it's the lungs. Come on. All right. We're nearly there. We have 1 minute left. And we're going to go plank jacks. I'm going to spin my mat around here. Plank jacks, we're in a low plank. And we're just hopping the feet to the side, back to the middle. That's all you've got to do. It's for a whole minute to finish. So you're going to feel those abs working every time the feet switch apart. And if you're struggling, just hold the low plank. That's fine. Feet wide, back. Come on, nearly there. So what I'm going to get rid of my mat. It's making me slide. That's better. Stay good tempo. Up. 10 seconds, come on. Last few seconds. There we go. Whew. Alright. That one was a tough one. Especially that combination of burpees and tuck jumps together. That's always a killer. Legs fried, lungs are dying on that one. So I'm glad you made it through that. Okay, we had to have a couple of stoppages, but that's absolutely fine. Hope you enjoyed it, or as much as you can. Stretch out now and enjoy the rest of your day. All right, take care.